In ZWCAD 2025, it can convert raster images to vector data automatically. Attach a raster image. In the Parameter Configuration dialog box, select an existing parameter configuration or edit the configuration. After modifying parameters, start vectorization in one step. After vectorization, you can merge, connect, and break vector objects. You will get a perfect vectorization result. This new function can save you time and money in converting paper drawings into DWG files. Interested in it? Download ZWCAD 2025 and try it now.